Holy freaking smokes, guys. We got a lot to break down in this video. It's going to be a short video, but it's going to be jam-packed because you saw AMC, or maybe you haven't, but AMC today's ripping, GameStop's ripping, Bed Bath & Beyond is ripping. We got to break these down and go over the markets very quickly, so sit back, relax, take a sip of your coffee, get your 10 stocks from Moomoo with a $100 deposit. Each of those could be up to $2,500, and your 12 stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. All those free stocks are linked down below, and with that being said, cheers, guys. Let's dive into the video. So like I said, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, GameStop, those are all going ballistic as I'm making this video this morning. So let's start off with Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker symbol BBBY. And mind you guys, right now, the markets in general are wildly in the green, and we will break down the markets in my video later on today. So make sure you guys subscribe. But right now, the S&P's up 0.8%, Russell's up 1.7%, the Nasdaq's up over 1%, as we have the Dow Jones up 0.8%. Funny enough, the VIX is up 0.4% as well, and we have silver up 3.2%, gold's up 0.6%, and I'm sure Bitcoin and Ethereum, let me pull those up, I'm sure those are doing pretty well so far this morning. Let's see here. Bitcoin's at 24.1. It's up 4%. Ethereum's above 1,800. It's up 5%. So, yeah, markets are on fire today, and so are these meme stocks, hype stocks, whatever the heck you want to call them. So the first one is BBBY, also known as Bed Bath & Beyond. This is up over 30% on the day, guys. We're at $11 a share, and earlier today, this was over $13 a share. This thing saw squeeze after squeeze after squeeze today, and just today, the pre-market. You guys can see this went from $8 to $10, almost $10.50, actually over $10.50 in the morning, early in the morning. That was a 30% move, and then at about 7 a.m. it ran up another 20%, pulled back towards about 9-10 a.m. on the East Coast. It was at $10.50, and then it ran all the way to $13.30 by what time was that? 9:35 a.m. So in just 20 minutes, it ran up 28%, and now we're cooling off. Don't be surprised if Bed Bath & Beyond makes another move. Don't be surprised if this starts moving towards the 12.50, 13, maybe even higher range yet again. So it's been on fire, and you guys know how these stocks go. They catch on fire out of nowhere. They could go months without making a move, and then boom, one day it just all comes in at once. And that's what we're seeing right now with Bed Bath & Beyond. This stock hasn't really made an upside move in months. I mean, we're talking since March. In the beginning of March, it went from 16.70 to about 35. All right, it doubled up, and then it ran a little bit more towards the end of March. It had a couple pumps throughout March, but since March, April, we're talking April, May, June, July, 4 months straight, this thing has been just going down, down, and down. And now it's from $4.38, now it's back over $11. It has pretty much 3x'd here in the past couple of weeks. So Bed Bath & Beyond is ripping. Let's take a look at AMC here, and I haven't checked any of the other ones from the meme stock run back in 2020, 2021. What are the other ones? Like Nokia? I doubt this one's moving. Yeah, Nokia was one of them. What else? Wasn't there a new one that just came out recently, or not like it just came out, but a lot of people have been talking about HKD, I believe it is what it was. It was $12. It ran up to $2,500. Now it's at $500. I mean, this thing is through the roof. And, what are the other ones? I'm forgetting now. BBY? No, Best Buy was never one of them, although Best Buy's up 5% on the day today. Let's go to AMC. Let's go to AMC and go to GameStop after that and break down what's going on. So you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, I've been breaking down GameStop and AMC, but mostly AMC a lot recently. I've been covering it a lot as it's slowly been reversing. We've covered that channel that I just, I cleared the drawing set so I could draw it again, but we've been talking about this channel a lot here on the YouTube channel, which you guys got to subscribe to if you haven't done so already, and hit that like button while you're at it. We've been talking about this, and I said, guys, if we break $20, this is literally, I said this a couple days ago, I said if we break $20, the top of the channel, we're going to most likely get a blow-off top rally on AMC. And look at this. We're up 15% on the day. It looks like we're getting that blow-off top rally. I've been saying that my last couple of videos as AMC was getting towards 18, 19 bucks, because sometimes when it does rip like that, when it was in the channel, sometimes it fizzles out. Sometimes, when AMC was at 19.50, 18.50, 19 bucks, I was like, all right, is this rally, are the bulls going to take it out of the channel, or is it going to fizzle out? And clearly, we got a huge pump. When was this? This was Friday. Yeah, Friday heading into the close, we got a huge pump out of the channel, which really led me to believe, today, and why I mentioned it in the past couple of videos, today could be a big day, or we get that blow off top rally, which we ended up getting, because on Friday we got that move out of, 20 bucks. We actually ran all the way to 22 bucks at close. Big day for AMC on Friday, and now we're getting that blow off top rally. So the question is, where could we be going on this stock? Probably 30 to 31, 32 even. If you guys take a look here on this 4-hour time frame, that is where we have been, struggling the past couple of months since the end of 2021. It's been pretty much almost a year at this point. AMC's been struggling at the low 30, mid 30 range. We hit back in December, we hit 32, 33, also $31, and clearly you guys see what happens after December up until March, where it ran up to the mid-30s, got rejected again, and then it went to $9, and now we're in the mid-20s. So this is probably going to test, and who knows, it might not. Don't take this, take this with a grain of salt. Let's put it that way. These stocks are very risky, and I wouldn't touch these with money that I'm not willing to lose. Let's just put it that way. But in the short term, by the looks of it, this could, keyword is could, be going towards 30 bucks, 32, maybe mid-30s again. I see that happening. It's definitely possible. It's in the cards. And full disclosure, guys, I am not in AMC right now. I've said this many times. I've made it clear, but I'll say it again. I was in AMC a couple of weeks ago. I traded it a couple of times. I sold way too early. Now, with hindsight, of course, being 2020, but I was in it. I'm not in it right now. And if you guys are in it, I'm glad you guys are in it. You guys are crushing it. But keep in mind, this could pull back very rapidly. Keep that in mind always when stocks like these are squeezing. Don't be scared to lock in profits. And for me, I've, hammered that lock in profits thing so much into my head, the past couple of years. Sometimes I lock in profits a little bit too early. Hence why I sold, under 20 bucks on AMC. But, take it for what you will. If you don't want to lock it in, that's fine. If you do want to lock in profits, shave a little bit off, that's cool. Do what you guys want at the end of the day. And for GameStop, this is actually getting a blow-off top rally right. Well, it did earlier in the day. Now we're back in the channel, but this is a little bit behind AMC. It's about one step behind, and I've said this in my previous videos as well. This is one step behind because it is at the top of the channel like AMC was when it was under 20, but we didn't get the blow-off top rally quite yet. Well, I guess we did this morning, but like I said, now we've pulled back from that intraday high. GameStop's down about 10% from that $48 high, which I said it could get to. I've been saying these levels, guys. So look, we're back in the lower mid 40s. We're at 43.50, back in this channel. If we get another breakout towards the intraday highs from today, we're probably going to go 50 bucks. 50 bucks was that high from the March rally. If you guys don't remember, GameStop went from 18, almost 19 bucks. It ran up all the way to $51 in a couple of weeks. This was about 2 weeks, and that is a move of 150%. It cooled off. Now we're running back up again. We're getting that, some buying pressure out of this channel. This could be going high 40s, low 50s again, in my opinion, by the looks of it. So crazy, wild green day so far on this beautiful Monday morning, guys. And what did I say in my video last night, guys? I said, and mind you, last night, Sunday night, the futures were red. I said, don't be surprised if they flip-flop. They flip-flop all the time. And lo and behold, the futures were red. They flip-flopped to green this morning. Now we're ripping. We're nice, nicely green all across the board. And, it's looking pretty solid out there, at least for the Bulls, guys. So make sure to subscribe. We're going to break down the markets a little bit more in depth. We didn't really talk about the markets in this video. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see my next couple of videos. And, of course, if you want to be a long-term subscriber here, hit that like button. Join my Patreon. That's linked down below. And you guys could also, don't forget, you could also get your 10 stocks from Moo with a $100 deposit and your 12 stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. All of those those free stocks are linked down below. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, your support means the world to me. I'll see you later. Peace out.